Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome first, hailing from Russia, Blizzard.
I'm back to the place where it all starts again. I'm back to Russia then.
And his opponents, hailing from parts unknown, the original mad dog of war, the Viking Skhorn.
It doesn't matter how big you are, it's what on the inside that counts most.
Speak English! Speak English! Sorry. I can't understand Russian. I can't understand shit here.
I think we've seen enough of Skhorn already tonight, but here we go.
You've got a mic.
Here we
I'm
go.
hot. I'm sweating. I'm pissed off.
Jace, this is a huge matchup, and not just because Blizzard is returning, not just because you ticked Skhorn off before and now he's got to fight, but because the victor of this match gets to enter the Santa Rumble.
Yeah. Well, it's indeed great to see Blizzard back. I don't know where he's been, probably back in Mother Russia.
I know nothing about Blizzard.
Look at him come into the corner, full head of steam.
I met him outside before. He's an intense man.
A very, very intense individual. I've seen him.
And Skhorn is also an intense man.
Well, yeah, this is like the atomic bomb versus the hydrogen bomb. Fisherman's Buster suplex goes for the cover. Skhorn not wasting any time. He wants to finish this match as quick as he can.
He's got a Santa Rumble to potentially fight in.
So does Blizzard.
And both men have come out like gunshots tonight, Jason.
Boom! The cannons are blazing. Blizzard's had some of the craziest matches I've ever seen versus Cruz and back in the day.
What can you tell me about Blizzard?
Well, you look at the guy. He's, you know, like I don't want to talk bad about a country, but Russia is sort of known for its nuclear disasters and stuff. And who knows? Maybe he was affected as a child. And I don't want to assume anything, but he is nuttier than a squirrel turd.
Well, okay. Well, Blizzard is back tonight. You heard him in the ring before. He said it to me outside earlier. He said it's not about how tough you are, it's about the heart and how much you have to give. And he said he has to give it all.
I've seen him taking some hellacious beatings, and he's come back and won, so...
Take down Russia.
I don't quit.
He says he doesn't quit, Jason.
He won't quit.
Not repeating that bit.
A big kick into the shoulder blades.
I must break you. You have to kill me first.
This is like Rocky 5.
Iffy on the... Oh, what? No. It doesn't matter.
And it's a hot night too, that won't help.
Oh!
Oh, amazing, hey. He'll put his body on the line to defeat his opponent, no worries.
Blizzard is giving it all in his re-debut. Re-debut?
Well, I think the last time I saw Blizzard was in 2010, 2011.
Yeah.
At the Junkyard Bash that year versus Cruz.
Now, potentially either 9 or 10 years later, Blizzard is back.
Taking on another juggernaut of IPW in the form of Skhorn. Oh, he took him down.
Blizzard has full mount here tonight, Jason.
Well, don't they have compulsory military training down up
Well,
in Russia?
And Ref Jeff keeping a close eye on this matchup. It's now Skhorn who's getting back to his feet, and he's up.
Will one of these two go on to the Santa Rumble and then win it? That was a body slam.
The ring lifted off the ground.
Yeah. Oh, thunderous.
One more time, the crowd says.
One more time. I don't know if Skhorn takes requests. Yeah, see? Well, for an encore, he's going to put him on the top rope. Blizzard obviously doesn't want to be in the predicament there.
No, of course he doesn't want to be up there with Skhorn on the other end. As he flies through the air, but is caught by the Mad Dog.
And the Blizzard's not light. Oh, fall away slam. And this is the setup. You know what's going to happen now. If he hits this.
You don't know what's coming now. You are in for hell. Oh my God. Is he still breathing now, Jason?
I doubt it. The helicopter spin hits the ground hard.
And Skhorn is going to the Rumble.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Skhorn.
There it is, Jason. Oh, almost. Spoke too soon. But Blizzard has not quit. Where's the referee? No assistance. And oh!
Well, he might be in trouble.
Well, I'm glad that you have a referee out here assisting him backstage, Jason.
Well, eventually he'll get that. He'll get
And let's hear it for Blizzard on his return. And a hard-fought match against Skhorn.
Was a very good match. Very strong showing from the Blizzard and obviously from Skhorn as well. Oof. You can't ever bet against Skhorn.
No.
And, despite his altercations with fans at ringside.